Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So did you accidentally add music to your Instagram post? Here is how to remove it. You need to first go ahead and open the Instagram application on your specific device, log into your specific account, and then after go to your profile by selecting the profile picture icon. Once you're in your profile page, you won't see a remove music option directly. Go to your profile, then click on the three lines in the top right corner to go to settings and activities section. From here, you need to scroll down and choose Creator Tools and Controls or Account Types and Tools. Open the branded content and ensure that you're eligible for branding. Once you have the access, go back to the post with the music. Then tap on the three lines or the icon in the top right corner of the screen. You should now see additional options, including partnership, label, and ads. And here, turn the toggle next to it. The post now will appear without the audio playback instead of the song. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.